In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog to your Gumroad storefront. First, head to your Gumroad Creator dashboard and log in. From there, go to your profile settings. This is your creator profile page where you control how your storefront looks and what shows up publicly. Inside profile settings, look for the area labeled Pages and Sections. That's where you'll build the page that will host your blog. Next, create a dedicated page for your blog. In the Pages tab, click New Page, give it a clear name like Blog, and open it for editing. On this new page, add a Post section. This section is what pulls your articles onto the page, displaying them in a clean, organized layout. While you're here, you can also add a text section to introduce your blog, explain who it's for, or highlight featured topics. If you want to grow your audience, consider adding a subscribe section so visitors can join your email list directly from the blog page. Keep your layout simple at first. You can rearrange and fine-tune sections anytime. Now it's time to write. Use Gumroad's built-in Posts feature to create your blog articles. When you compose a post, be sure to select the option to post to profile. That ensures the article appears on your storefront and is included in the Posts section you added. Each post gets its own page with a unique URL, which is perfect for sharing on social media, linking in emails, or referencing from other pages on your site. Before you go live, customize the look so it matches your brand. In profile settings, adjust fonts, colors, and layout to align with your visual style. Preview your changes and make sure the Posts section is visible on the page you created. If you don't see it, check the Pages sections and confirm it's enabled and placed where you want it. It's a good idea to view the page on both desktop and mobile to confirm that titles, images, and spacing look right. When you're happy with everything, publish your changes. Your blog page will be live, your posts will display on your storefront, and each article will be ready to share. To build momentum, share the blog page link and individual post URLs with your audience, and consider referencing posts in your product descriptions or updates to drive traffic back to your storefront. And that's it. You've set up a clean, branded blog inside your Gumroad storefront, created posts that show up on your profile, and published your page so customers can start reading.